Southern Coin Hunter. After doing a live video Friday night, when I got through going through all the change that I was able to get after the hurricane hit, it was not much. So we're gonna start off with some die chips on some Roosevelt dimes. I was able to get 2 rows. Still always check. So we got one right there on the eyebrow. So 21 Philly. If I find something that I can point out, I will. I think that was it on this one dime. Well, a crud right there, but yeah, that was it on that one. Got a slight grease strike through across the date in the mint mark. Oh, I got 2. No, that's one. It's 2 of them. Yeah, slight grease strike through across the date in the mint mark. This is a 2015. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Got one little die chip in this hair. Oh, shoot. Well, I keep hitting stuff. This is kind of hard to do sometimes. I'm going to do it this side. Right up in there, we got a little bitty tiny die chip. And this is out of focus now. See what's on the back side. And that was it on that one. Now I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to just send it back. I just want to show y'all. So here's another 2015P. Same thing, got a little bit of grease built up right up in here. It's kind of weak looking. I didn't keep it. There's why did I keep this one? Put that one back in the bank. I thought I had something on that one. Apparently, I fooled myself. Here's the 2015 Philly, another one. Yeah, a little die chip on the oak leaf. So that's what I'm going to put back also. This show you where you can look for die chips. So I'm doing on some of these dimes. Some of them I'm not going to keep. Now this one I'm keeping because we got a massive die chip here. Some splitting right there and right there. Got one right there. That's post-mint damage. Here and here. Small one right there. We got one here, one right there, one tiny one right there. So we're going to set that one over here. That could be one. Got one right up in here. Here. That's post-mint damage, but you got a little die chip right there. One right there. Right to the eye on this one. Another massive one here, here. 2016 Philly. It's all post-mint damage. We had 3 dimes that we kept. Pennies. Why did I keep this one? Not know why I kept this one. $1.99. Oh, I know I kept this one. That's a great strike through. Got a bit on the B and U and pluribus. Great strike through on that one. This one got a die crack right there. More grease strike throughs. Also, look like I got some feet of finger errors. Scraping down the design right there. Let's see what we have on this one. Grease strike through. So this will be on the pennies. Nickels. Let's go off this one. This is a die chip in the letter O. This is a 2015 Philly. '22 Philly. We got a triple beehive. Third one's kind of hidden. Got 1, 2, and 3's here. Last week's. No, it's not. I forgot. I'll stack them over off this side. For Philly, we got the die chip in the between the E and the R. One right there. Let's see. That's the one with another die chip between the E and the R. Slightly bigger than the other one. I had a machine double die I was going to show y'all. A little die chip right here. So we got a straight. This is a beehive. Here's another one forming out. Here's a break of one starting to come out. Then you got this right here. Would love to caught that one. Just a little small one. It's gonna hump and come back in right there. Here's another beehive, starting here. You start seeing where it's starting to break off on the die. It's going to end up going to right there. It's got a beginning. It's hard to see. There's a little bit bright spot right there. Here we go, the beginning of the beehive. I'm calling this a stage C because you're starting to get raised metal. B would be just the bright spot of it. Like this is a B right here, but it's like B, C, I guess, die stage. And here's a double beehive. Straight one, then a round one. Small one right here between the E and the R. This is a 2007. Don't see anything. I just double checking. Oh yeah. Starts here. Piece of metal, and it curves to right there. That's going to be a stage BC type. This has got a little straight one. Then you got a little piece of metal, then it gets bright. There's a little piece of metal there. Oh, 1 second. Okay, I'll take a quick break. Give me a little drink so I won't fall asleep while talking. Die chip between the E and the R. This is a 2016 Philly, as you saw. This is called FS die chip or beehive because it's right next to the initials. And then you got a small double one actually on this one with the potential for a third one to come all the way out to here. Looks like you got something on there. So you got a straight one. This one just curves and dies down. You see where it's trying to break off there and right there. .22 Philly. So we got a little die chip FS on about the bottom of the F. Little tiny beehive right there. Here's a stage BC. Got a little bit of tiny metal, but still polished. This is going to be a big beehive once, if you ever find this one. I can go and show you the year. Got a little grease stripe there on the eye right up in there. 2008 Denver. It's not often you find something with Denver like this. '21 Denver. So you got a little bitty piece here, and you can see where it's trying to form up right there. Let's see what we got on this side. Die chip and the E and the 4. Little grease stripe on the Y. Let's see. 2014 Philly. Stage B, got a lot of brightness going on right here. You can start to see where it's trying to get a little bit of a raised metal line right there. On that one. Just double checking everything, y'all. Okay, let's flip it over. Oh, yeah. Nice. This is actually a triple beehive. So you got 1, 2, and the third one's starting to form right there. This one actually going to flip it as a find because it's a nice massive one. And you get the FS beehive. What's on this penny? Oh yeah, let me show y'all this. Got a die clash. And I can't figure out, it's part of Lincoln's jacket. Because you see the line coming right there. I think it's this right there. But there's nothing to indicate it on this one. I'm trying to find where the overlays are at so I can overlay it on top. But I think that's the die clash. This is a 1983. That's what I'm using now. These are guardhouse flips. Come with cardboard. I trim the cardboard out just a little bit. It makes it easy for me to pull the coins out versus me tearing them out of the other flips and having to throw those flips away. This has got nothing marked on it. Take a quick break from the nickels. I think this is a copper one. So why is it in a flip? So 79 Philly. Oh, I gotta research that. That's what it was. I think it might have had a double die on the front obverse. I just didn't have time to research that one. And put the nickel in one. I'll cut the cardboard and mark it up later. Here's the small beehive. This should be a stage C because you got a little bit of it. See a little scatter piece. And B, it looks like it's going all the way up to here. And maybe something going on right there. It's going to be it on this one. Die chip between the E and the R. Called the BIRR. I don't know how you pronounce that. And you got something going on right up in, I'm trying to get the right, just like right up in here. Could be the beginning of a beehive. It's just hard to tell. Let me see what the front looks like. Yeah, we're going to put that with the die chips on the letter. I'm not too sure about that one. On the reverse. 2020 Philly. So you got a little bitty piece here. So we got stage C. The die, as the die starting to wear down. This would be a stage C also. Got a die chip here, there. Got something going on right there, which would be a stage B die. So say you call it a BC die stage. Until almost to the end. Here we got one on the inside. Hallway or doorway. This one does this. A little piece here, so apparently he's going to connect here, and it's going to curve into right there. I sometimes wonder if that's doubling in the windows. This is 2018 Philly. Stage B. Something going on with the edge, but this is stage B. I don't think that was it. It's a little thin line. Oh, you can see it now. Yeah, a little bit thin line on stage C starting to form up. This may be the front, other side. Oh, this is a full-fledged die chip between the E and the R. And it's been kind of worn down. See the scraping going on, but this is a full-blown die chip. That one will flip also. Just tubing it. Now this is a dimmer. This is machine doubling or strike doubling. Because if you look, it looks like everything's shifted down. It's flat. All is just flat. But here's the cool thing. Not only is on the obverse, it's also on the reverse. You see where it's all just shifting. So this one we get a flip. Well, actually, I got a 2 for machine double dies. It's not true doubling. People like them. People buy them. Here we got stage B. Yeah, you can see it right there. This is all stage B. Remember, stage A, there's nothing there. This is also a candidate for full steps, I think. Two left. Dirty Jefferson. 18 Philly. We got 2 straight beehives. So this is a double beehive. We got one here and one right there. You got one here and one here. So we got two double beehives. Okay, that's gonna be another flip. Because see, this is how the cardboard comes. You get 2. So I hate to have one just sitting in there by itself cut. I got a little something going on right there, but I just don't know what that is. Stage C with more of stage B. He's starting to break right there. Yeah, I think that's going to conclude this video. Hope you saw some few things that I found. I hope you enjoyed it. I may be picking up Tuesday. And I may be going live Tuesday night. The bank called me. Somebody brought in customer wrap, $250 worth of $50. Well, I get paid Tuesday, so I will have the money for that. So I will go live, and where I do not have will be brought back the next day. I do have bills to pay. So I'll probably be going live Tuesday night, probably around 7:30ish. This is gonna be more of a silver hunt, and hopefully none of them marked up. But they do marked up, but scripted like the last time I did this. I can know how to remove it. So thank you for tuning in. If you're new to thank you to all the new subs. Appreciate everybody that comes in. Those that came in on my live feed Friday night, thank you once again for coming in. I don't expect everybody to show up, but if y'all do, you're more than welcome to ask questions. I sent one person my penny hunt chart. So I gotta get off. Have a good evening and see y'all hopefully Tuesday night live. And remember, check both sides of the coin. You never know what you're going to find.